Ohayo, kininayo. Ada ipakita kinila kay ko. Labs, come here before you go. I'm so proud of this. You know, the chicken is a good, good gardener than me. Look at this. Yeah. Big zucchini. Susukin uke. Oh yeah, they have tomato also. And that is a three fruits of zucchini, loves, huh?
Yeah, they're pecking the shit out of it.
Oh, I'm going to make it a bread, zucchini bread.
They're pecking the shit out of it.
Oh, there's a lots of tomato. Oh, oh wow. And then let's go to my garden, naka-ormot mo garden. It's been a long time that I don't visit here.
Now let's see your plant.
Oh, yeah, there's a tomato fruits. Oh, look at those. The Malnoris is still alive. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That is a cucumber.
Wow.
Oh, look, loves. Oh, there's a yellow pepper. Woo! Oh, I can harvest that. Diba? Graramanak. Mabali na malatag harvest.